Beloved Huzoor, a growing trend can be seen in social media where Ahmadis with young children decorate their homes for Ramadan, such as decorating their mantles, putting gifts under it, and making Eid countdown calendars for children, similar to that of a Christmas Advent calendar. Beloved Huzoor, how do we safeguard our children from these practices?
You see, the Holy Prophet ﷺ says, "Innamal a'malu binniyat." Your every work and deed depends on your intention. What is the intention behind it? If they are decorating their homes during Ramadan to let their children understand the importance of Ramadan, then there is no harm in it. If they have made the calendar and their countdown of Ramadan's fasting days, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, just to tell them that now that this is the first, second, third, fourth fast, and after 29 or 30 days we shall celebrate Eid, which is very important. Children will ask, what is the importance of Eid? Then you can tell them what the Holy Prophet ﷺ said, that we should attend the Eid prayer. Even those women who are not permitted to go to the mosque for prayers, they should even go to the mosque and listen to the khutbah of the Eid. And you can sit outside the mosque even, but this is compulsory, obligatory for every person. And when they are counting down, you can tell them what is fast, why there were 30 rosas in Islam, and what is Saum. And it was obligatory, as the Quran says, to all the people of the different prophets during their time, but they had different way of keeping fast. So, if this is the intention, that to introduce about Ramadan and about Eid, then there is no harm in it. If it is just to copy, that because Christians are doing it, we should also do it, and you do not tell them about the history of fasting and the importance of fasting and importance of Eid, then it is wrong. So there is a subtle difference. So we cannot just say that this person has done this thing because of bad intention. If the person says my intention was good, then we have no right to say, no, you are wrong. I know that your intention was not good. We are not God. So Allah knows better. Okay? Don't be rigid. Okay?